Folks, I'm gonna be honest with you. This is like the 5th video I filmed today, so my throat hurts and I'm tired. So I'll try to be, what's the word? Exuberant? No, whatever. You know what you're here for. Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. You can give me a follow. You can subscribe. You can wait. Is it the other way around? Whatever. Oh, my throat is torched. Do whatever you feel like doing because that's your right. Hi, pals. It's Soul Supremacy Beater Box Day because Fridays have turned into that because I don't really buy boxes from anywhere else now because they do the best job. So this box is $750 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $800 shipped flat. Counter time. It's clearance. Hey buddy, stick around until the end of the video too because we're going to break down the box, show you how much I'm paid versus how much it's actually worth on the secondary market. But first, we got to see what's inside here. So let's open the box. No joke, this is the 4th box I've opened today. I don't mean today, Friday, November, whatever it is. I mean today, the day that I'm filming a bunch of videos so I'm not backed up as we approach the holiday season. $750, let's do it. $800, I mean. $800 shipped. Ooh, I already see something really good. Nice. Nice. It's really good stuff in here. 3 loose pairs, and they're all really good, actually. So loose pair number 1 is a 2014 release in a size 10. It's a Jordan 6. I'm not going to say the colorway because people are going to get mad. It's pronounced a certain way, but everyone likes to pronounce it a different way. But it's one of the most iconic 6s. Look at it. This color blocking is beautiful. The pair itself, a little bit of outsole wear or dirt, I guess you could say. Not bad, a little bit of discoloration. I don't see any lace locks, which is kind of a bummer, but everything looks good. It's just a little bit of creasing. There is some insole wear. There's not a Jumpman in there anymore, but great shoe. I think they're actually retroing these in 2021. Could be wrong though, which 7 years, that's a decent time for a retro. So there you go, size 10, Jordan 6, first shoe out. Hey, if you're interested in buying those, hit up my website today, sbmitch.com. 6 p.m. That's when they'll be there, unless someone buys them on GOAT first, which is a high possibility. Next up, teeny tiny pair. 2 youth, holy cow. This is a size 2 youth. That's very tiny, but it's so cute. Look at it, it's a pair of Shadow 1s from 2018. I mean, a kid wore them, so there's a good amount of star loss on the forefoot, good amount of heel drag, so they're not actually in great shape. The uppers are, the outsole really isn't. I said it last week, probably, or I said it like an hour ago, technically, but kids' shoes are tough because parents don't want to buy used pairs for their kids, which makes sense. But this is Jordan 1. Jordan 1s always have value, even if they're worn, so 2 youth. Jordan 1 Shadow, interesting. The last pair, very good pair in my opinion. It's a size US 9, I think. Yeah, size 9, so it's a really good size. This is probably one of the best Jordan 1s that came out in recent memory. It's the Obsidian 1s. I love this colorway. This colorway is really nice. The leather is super soft. It's like shattered backboard quality leather. I know that's a stupid term to use, but it's really soft. Like, the paneling is great. I just love this colorway too because it's just so like pleasing. I don't know, blue calms me for some reason. The only thing that's a bummer is there's no box and there's no secondary laces. So you only have these Carolina blue laces, which it actually doesn't look too bad. Size 9, there you go, Obsidian 1s. I hope the rest of the box is actually worth something now. Let's grab this. We've got a Nike sportswear box. It is a size 11.5 Air Max Torch 4. I've never heard of that. This is not an Air Max Torch 4. 10, US men's 10. Lightly worn, Jordan 10. I have no idea what this colorway is, I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of cool, I guess. It's like a really non-OG colorway. Very cool though. Like a really nice gray upper with some hints of blue and orange. Outsoles are in good shape. They're a little bit translucent. Still a cool pair. I have no idea what these are. I literally have no idea what these are, but they are okay. It's not an Air Max Torch 4, so that's cool. Size 10, whatever that is. Next up, a women's Air Jordan 5 Retro in a size 10, which would be a men's 8.5. No, it's not. but I do know what this is. I just gotta see what size it is. Size US 9. This is the Have a Nike Day React Element 87 to 55. I don't know how those numbers work, but it's a cool colorway. I mean, it's got the little hiking dude on the keychain there, on both of them actually, which is really nice. They're super lightly worn, like the outsole is just a little bit dirty. These are actually really cool. It's a little bit thicker, so I would imagine this is probably a 55, but again, I don't know. React is a crazy comfortable material. I learned very quickly from the Bruin Reacts that I have. These are really nice, I guess. Size 9 in a replacement box. Again, let's see if any of these have the original box. Would be interesting. Women's Air Jordan 4 Retro in a size 10. Well, it is a Jordan 4. I don't think this is the actual box for it, though. Ooh, this smells like smoke. Yeah, okay, this is the actual box, but it's one of these. I don't know what this colorway is called. It's got like some kind of like gradient looking cage. A little bit of hints of green on the outsole. These are lightly worn. They just smell a little bit like, not cigarettes, but another kind of smoke. I mean, it's okay. I don't really know what these are. I don't know what the draw of them is, but decent size, decent shape. There you go, Jordan 4 in a, what, men's 8.5, women's 10. I don't know what the name of that colorway is. This box is weird. Next up, Nike Air Max 97 GS in a 7 Youth. No, it's not. What is going on with this box? This is some kind of weird foamposite. What size is this thing? It is a 7 Youth. This is not an Air Max 97. It's some kind of foamposite. I don't know what is going on here. Kind of looks like almost like a Huffquake type thing going on, but it's a small size. It's a foam. Foams might be okay in the wintertime, I guess. But there you go. I have no idea what these are. Good Lord. Can I get an original box, please? A size 10 ACG Air Deschutes. Are these dead stock? Okay, at least they're dead stock, so that's good. It's some kind of sandal. I really have nothing to say about these. This might be a good gift for your uncle that lives in Northern California, maybe, because this looks like something my uncle that lives in Northern California would wear. But I doubt that he's a size 10 because he's very tall. I don't know what these might just be a throw-in, or they might have some kind of value. I don't really know, but it's a sandal. I think sandals are gross. But it's dead stock, so that's good. We got 2 more in here. It's like a Jordan 3 and some kind of Mamba Rage, I think. Let's get the Kobe out of the way. We got a size 8 Kobe AD. This does not feel like a size 8 Kobe AD. It's very heavy. That's exactly what it isn't. But this is a really, really cool shoe. I'm actually okay with this. So these are here's a lighter. And it works. It's powder blue 3s. I really like this colorway. What size is this? This is a size 10. These are actually dead stock, but there's a number of issues. There's some scuffing on the back from the box being too small for it. There's definite discoloration on the mudguard, toe cap, whatever, on both of them. But it doesn't look like they're worn. So that's cool, I guess, if you want to buy these and like know that they're unworn and just kind of fix them up yourself. That's cool. I probably won't do anything to them because they are a dead stock pair. But there you go, size 10, powder blue 3s without a box. This is super weird. Holy cow, this is the weirdest box I've ever gotten. And lastly, it looks like a Jordan 3, but we'll see, I guess. Size 10 Jordan 3 Retro according to the box. Wow, it actually is a Jordan 3. Let's see if it's a size 10 and the actual shoe. If it is, then it's one that I actually kind of like. This is a replacement box because the it doesn't match up. But hey, we got a pair of infrared 3s. I really like this colorway. I think the blocking on it is really nice. It is a little bit older, so there is some discoloration on the toe cap. Paint seems to be in good condition. You can see a full Jumpman and a size sticker in there. This is a really nice colorway. These just need a little bit of help, I guess. Probably the de-yellowing of the toe cap though, but really cool colorway in a replacement box. Did I get an original box in this entire, oh, the Deschutes. Okay, yeah, this is a good box, but it's a super weird box. Like, I don't understand what's going on with most of this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 shoes. This is definitely a quantity over quality box. So let's take a look at the numbers and see what's going on in this box. This this box might be good, it might be bad. I don't really know. Those first 3 were good and the rest of it was like super weird. I mean, there might be some sneaky value. I don't really know. Judge for yourself. If you're interested in any of these shoes, they might be on my website today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. They might not too. I don't know. But you can check it out, sbmitch.com. If you feel like it. If you don't, that's cool too. Have a good rest of your weekend. Thanks for watching this video. I appreciate it. We'll see you on Monday for a recap. And until then, take care of each other and remember to keep sneakers fun because they're supposed to be fun. What a weird box. Okay. See you later. Bye-bye.